This is how I burnt my multimeter, and why you should never make this mistake when testing a transformer. I had a transformer with 2 thin red wires and 2 thicker white wires. I assumed the thin red wires were the primary, so I connected mains there. But this transformer was designed for 220 volts in and 15 volts out. That's a ratio of about 14.7 to 1. By putting mains on the wrong side, the other winding jumped to over 3,200 volts, and my meter fried instantly. These are the right ways to test your transformer. Method 1. Set your meter to resistance mode and measure each winding. The side with bigger resistance will handle bigger voltage. Therefore, the 220 volts goes to the coil with higher resistance. Method 2. Do a low voltage test. Apply about 6 volts AC to one winding and measure the other side. If the voltage jumps up, you applied power to the secondary. If the voltage drops, you applied power to the primary, and that's the side for mains. Method 3. With an LCR meter, the higher inductance winding is usually the primary, because inductance increases with the square of the turns. So don't rely only on wire color or thickness. Test resistance. Inject a small voltage or check inductance. Do that, and you won't burn your meter like me. Subscribe, like, and share.